let's go back to the timeline for a second and look at the section called Crew Management. Each event in your timeline can include crew management and is useful for those times when you're booking large numbers of people for an event and you need to track extra details about each person you're lining up, such as their specific job role, unique times, or whether or not they're confirmed. The crew management section of an event is very similar to the people and organization section of the team. But instead of simply listing all the team members associated with an event, like we do here in this rehearsal, the crew management section creates individual crew slots for each person. When you create a crew slot, you can pre-fill them with people or create empty slots to fill in later. Some examples of scenarios where crew management and bookings can be very useful would be load-ins and load-outs, costume fittings, or volunteer schedules. Though in each of these scenarios, you may still decide to use the team section if you don't need as much detail or granularity in managing it. So let's take a look at how this works. Let's create a new event for the Lion Queen called the Load-In. This is going to be on November the 3rd at 10 o'clock a.m., and it's an 8-hour day. Also, it's going to be at the main stage. So in the crew management section, select Add, and then let's select Single Add. Now you can see we've added one booking slot, which can include a status of none, confirmed, or tentative, a contact name from your contacts, and a specific role. So let's say that Lee Westy is going to be our crew chief. We also know that he's confirmed, so let's go ahead and select Confirmed. Now let's add 2 empty stagehand slots. Let's click on Add, and then let's go to Bulk Add. Let's add the role of stagehand. And then let's add 2 slots. When we create these slots, they'll add in the crew management section as 2 empty slots. Now let's pop in the names of a stagehand we want to initially reach out to. Let's click on this and say it's someone new. And let's mark this as tentative. So say we have a lot of crew slots created in many different projects or events. I can go up to the Crew Management tab at the top to manage them all together. I can also sort by status to just see the slots I need to confirm or fill. I can also create new booking slots from this tab as well. If I create a new booking, I'll have to select the project and then the task that I want it to go into. So let's do this load-in. I can start one more. It's going to pull over the dates and times automatically. Then I can enter in my new role and assign a contact. One nice thing about bookings is that Propared will automatically check for conflicts across all other projects. If there's an overlap between a person and where they're supposed to be during a specific time, you'll see a conflict icon. We can simulate this by adding Jennifer to this exact same call. And now you can see there's a conflict icon. It also tells you exactly which event the conflict is in. So crew management bookings can appear in production books if you want. Let's look at the settings for the production book screen. Let's go to our full schedule, and there's an include crew toggle. If you don't want to include any crew management in your schedule, you can simply disable this. Also, as you add bookings and roles, they will continue to fill out your project team automatically.